Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make gingerbread latte. Okay, let me just get back to my normal accent. So, we have some gingerbread latte over here. What we did was, we started off by making some syrup that you find at Starbucks. We added that with coffee and with some milk and with some cream. And it's here. So, let's move on to the recipe. Okay, so let's begin by first boiling the water, and once the water starts boiling, add in 1 cinnamon stick. So this is 1-inch ginger cut into fine slices, so you want to also put that inside. Now you have 2 tablespoons of sugar. To give more of an intense taste, I'm going to add in a little pinch of ginger powder. That's that, not too much. Now here I have allspice. Okay, so this has all the popular spices, the top spices, all mixed into one. So I'm going to add in a pinch of this. That's that. I have some vanilla extract here. So I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into here. That's that. So I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Just give it a good stir, make sure that everything mixes in properly before you let it continue boiling for the next 10 to 15 minutes even, if you can, but let's just do it for 10 minutes, and in the meanwhile I'll probably just go away and have a couple of crumpets. Okay, so as you can see over here, the syrup is made. It's been about 10 minutes. Syrup is made. Now what you got to do is add in 1 tablespoon of the syrup. So let me just take that out. So that's about half. I'm going to add in just another half because I don't want the pieces of ginger to come into it. So that's a full tablespoon of the syrup itself. Now I'm going to do is I've got some coffee over here, and I'm going to add in enough coffee to fill in half of this glass in which the syrup resides. So around there. And now I've got some boiled milk. Okay, you saw how to make this gingerbread latte. Not so difficult to make, but let me give it a try and see if it is living up to the bill. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wah! That is highly impressive. You know what? That is absolutely amazing. You know, superb. It's got that ginger. Just that, you know, it's got that ginger sort of zip to it. It's so delicious. As I was drinking it, I was like, wow. As I brought this towards myself to drink this, and as it poured into my mouth, I was transformed to another dimension. It felt out of this world. This is an out of this world experience to have. One of my favorite beverages, I can just say that straight away. I'm not being reactionary, and I'm not being someone that is just saying this out of emotion and because I am over here live saying this. But trust me, I've taken this. This is perhaps the best beverage that I've had in the last couple of months on this channel, and I've made quite a few of these. That was absolutely superb, and what's fascinating is that it doesn't take so much time to make this. The only time it really takes is 10 minutes just to boil the syrup that we initially made, and also to boil the water and the milk, but it's just so instant to make, but it's so delicious, it's so rewarding. And to be honest, when you can make something like this from home, do you really need to go to a Starbucks? Now, going to Starbucks, the great thing is that, you know, you can go outside, maybe meet a friend or two. There's a bit of a social dynamic to it. But lockdown 2 in the UK is emerging on Thursday. So it's imminent. So if you can't do that, if you can't go outside, the best or the next best thing is to make it from home and to devour it and to thank me in the comment section. So with that said, like this video. So beneath this video, there's a thumbs up. That's the like button. Please, please, por favor in Spanish, lütfen in Turkish, please like this video. Also hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And once you hit the red subscribe button, you'll see the notification bell icon, and please press on that so that you are informed of our daily releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.